Aadmi Party's national convener, Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, and National President of Samajwadi Party, Akhilesh Yadav, will address a joint press conference on behalf of the India Alliance today at 10 a.m. Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal is out on interim bail and is focusing on campaigning for the Lok Sabha polls. My colleague Shubh Rana joins us on the broadcast to give us more details on this. Shubh, a joint press conference expected to take place with the Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal and Samajwadi Party Supremo Akhilesh Yadav there together. Of course, we know that Arvind Kejriwal's interim bail is expected to conclude on 1st June. So it almost seems like he's trying to salvage all the time that he has. Give our viewers more details on this press conference that is expected to take place.
Yes, definitely, Sabri, as very rightly said by you, Arvind Kejriwal is utilizing every minute of his hour because on 1st June he has to go back to the jail. And Arvind Kejriwal is going to a Lucknow tour where he'll do a press conference at 10 a.m. with Akhilesh Yadav, and this press conference will be held at Sapa office where they will do a joint press conference because the day before Mallikarjun Kharge was doing a press conference with Akhilesh Yadav, and today it's Arvind Kejriwal with Akhilesh Yadav. And this press conference would be very important because since the time when Arvind Kejriwal was released from the jail, the India Alliance bloc is being very aggressive and they have been campaigning for all the road shows and for all the upcoming elections. But now Arvind Kejriwal have went to Lucknow and in the evening he'll contest for Punjab, he'll campaign for Punjab with Bhagwant Mann, and a day after that he'll go to Maharashtra. So if we look at Arvind Kejriwal's schedule, he has been playing on front foot because he have been in Tihar jail from the last from last month. But now when he has been set out from jail, he is doing a joint press conference with Akhilesh Yadav, and this would be very important to note that because what further course of action would it take? But Sabri, there is a very important point to be get noted here because Vibhav is accompanying Arvind Kejriwal again in this Lucknow press conference because visuals was inciting where Vibhav was seen with Arvind Kejriwal. Although Sanjay Singh have previously promised that proper investigation would be made, but Vibhav with Arvind Kejriwal in this Lucknow press conference with Akhilesh Yadav is giving a very interesting angle to it. Yes, Sabri.
Absolutely.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.